Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear visitor, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a PTC site. First go to log in your cPanel, then click MS MySQL database. Okay, now create a database. I have already created two. Now I need to make another for my PTC site. Okay, PTC, create database. Go back. Just copy that, go back. You can see write the name of the PTC of the new database, password, again password, now create user. Okay, choose the user, go back, you can see, and this is the current user. Now need to edit the database, click add, click all, make change. It successfully saved. Go back. Now you need to install the evaluation script. First you need to download from the evaluation script site, and I am download evaluation script 5.1. Okay, now make it a zip folder. Now upload it on your cPanel option. Select the file. Okay, it's successfully uploaded. Now go back to the main panel. Now you need to unzip that. Click on the exit here. You can see the all files are successfully exit. Close it. Okay, now go to your website. Click here. Okay, you can see the password. Now click agree. Next, you choose the database name that you have created beforely. paste the database, SQL username and SQL password that I have created before. You can see that. Next, the evaluation script are installing successfully. Now click on the next. Okay, this is the information for login your PTC site. Default username and default password. If you want to change, you can change anytime this username and password. Okay, enter the username, password, and paste the pin code 123456. You need to enter, press that. Fill the login. Okay, your PTC site is successfully ready. You can now use it.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.